So this is just my take on using a Chuck rotary for glasses. This one came with the machine, so I didn't have to spend any extra cash on it. I didn't have $500 to pay for some specialized glass rotary, so this is what I came up with. So basically, this was just adapted with two extrusions, stand on the back and some screw thread, bearing on the end of the screw thread so that the glass can turn. Get yourself a plug, one that fits the inside of the glass and one that's slightly bigger than the outside of the glass. Clamp it with your inside chuck and slot it on. It will be held in place by friction. Tighten it. And that is good enough for me to do glasses. I do hundreds of glasses on my CO2 and it works like a charm. It's quick to change and you can make plugs for any size glass. I just mark them so I know, okay, that's what I'm going to need. So yeah, there's a cheap solution to an expensive problem. No pressure on the glass.